Nikki. Remember when we talked about Ounuo's digital processing center last time? Today I'd like to introduce you to additional pieces of processing equipment in our digital machining center. This is Mazak flexible production line, consisting of a computer information control system and an automatic material storage and transportation system. The flexible manufacturing system comprises 4 subsystems: machining, logistics automation, computer control, and the software system. By automating the material flow and information flow based on the machining automation, the entire parts process can be covered. Flexible production lines play a crucial role in enhancing efficiency. This is Okuma Gantry Machining Center from Japan, which is mainly suitable for large work pieces. The sufficient quantity and thickness of ribs distributed throughout the machining center ensure the accuracy of machined parts. Thank you for your attention. See you!